Hi everyone, Happy New Year. This is the first video of 2022 and I thought why not kickstart this year with a good old sticker haul video. So I got my Planner Kit package a couple of days back and I wanted to open it and show it to you guys. I'm just covering it up because there's my address on it. Let me just open the package. While I'm opening this, if you guys are enjoying my videos, then give it a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also over the next few days I will be uploading multiple videos every single day, so make sure you have the bell notifications on too. So let's start off this haul by showing you the freebies. With every Planner Kit order, you get like 5 freebie stickers and you never know what they're gonna send. So it's like a nice element of surprise, which I really like. So the first one we have here is this heart checklist. I used to use these kind of stickers before, but I don't use them anymore. Let's see, you never know when you might get back into it. And then you have these arrow stickers. I love them. I keep thinking I should get it, but I don't end up buying it because I just end up prioritizing something else. But I'm so happy I got it as a freebie, so I can now try them. If I want, I can place order for more. Then we have these decorative icon stickers. These are so cute as well as functional, so I love them. You have got like walking, trash, reading, savings, like YouTube and all of those things. By the way, if you see any stickers in this, any stickers that you like in this video or in any of my other videos, just comment down below because I'm working on launching my own stickers and it'll really help me like prioritize because there's so many things that I want to create and I just wanted to prioritize it based on what you guys need. So this is one, and then we have this cute like mini box stickers. I used to use these in my study planner when I was doing my post-graduation. They're great like to mark assignments and all of that, but you could use it in your regular planner too. Then you have this two-toned label stickers. These ones are amazing for appointments. You could write like when you have a meeting and then what that meeting is, or you could use it even to track your expenses, like write the amount you have spent and write the reason why you spent that. So that is quite good. So these are like all the freebies that came with my order. Next, I ordered a bunch of like thin washi strip stickers. I love washi tapes, so I thought like why not order a few and see how I could use them. I used to really like using these in my monthly setup videos as well as like dashboard page. It looks quite good, you know, just a couple of these washi strips and your page ends up looking a lot more cuter than if you don't use anything. So the first one I have here is this like navy, nice like blush pink and blue themed like floral stickers, and heads up, you're gonna see a lot of floral stickers. I really love them. So here's one, and then another one that I have here is floral one too, but it's got like a different vibe to it because of the colors that are used here. It's a combination of bold colors and designs, and these like stripes washi tape, you could use it with any like any theme. It doesn't really look odd or something, so that's quite good. I used to use them to mark like trips. You know, if I used to go to a trip for like 5 days, I would put the washi tape across those 5 days in my monthly calendar, so that was an indication. And then here we have one more it's got like a very soft and romantic vibe to it. I love the colors that are here. Then this one, I feel it's got that botanical story planner vibe, so when I saw this sticker I remembered that and I was like, oh, I need that because that's quite cute. And then we have this fall themed stickers. I like this mainly because of the colors that they have used. I just love the combination of this cool blue with warmer tone colors, so that looks quite good. And then this is like my favorite of all of the washi tapes that I showed you here. Love the colors, love the designs, just love everything about this particular washi tape add-on sticker. Then we have these sticker kits. I love buying sticker kits because it's got like a variety of stickers in here and it's themed too, so it looks very cute when used in the planners. And you guys know that I've been using them in my weekly dashboard pages. They work really well, so I intend to use it for the same again for this year too. And this first one here that we have is honeybee themed sticker kit. I loved it. Few weeks back, I don't know, somewhere I saw like honeybee themed either stickers, washi tape or planner, something I saw, and I fell in love with the designs. So as soon as I saw this kit, I just remember that I'm like, I want this. And the colors too, they're so like differently paired, you know. I never see this lavender paired with teal blue, so it looks absolutely gorgeous. I'm excited to like use these. And then next we have this bold like floral themed stickers. I bought this because of like two reasons. One, I love the combination of like stripes with florals. There's just something about like, you know, strict lines with soft florals. It just looks too cute, so I love that. And then I also liked the color combination of navy along with orange, and also strangely how like this red looks with the overall like theme. So that is really nice. And then we have a sunflower sticker kit. Oh my god, like this one is just so beautiful. I love the colors, and the flowers in here looks so realistic, especially in the washi tape. Absolutely lovely. I'm excited to use this too. And then we have another like floral pumpkin spice color themed sticker kit. This one too, I think it's quite nice. I mainly bought this for the colors that are in here and also the washi tape. So absolutely gorgeous. Then we have like, I think this one's for Thanksgiving. To be honest, I'm not a huge fan of the washi tape that's there in this kit, but I mainly bought them because I love all of these functional stickers that are in here, and also the way like this maroon looks with script stickers, the icons. I think it looks quite good. And then we have like another fall based sticker kit. I love the sticker kits that she offers during fall. Designs are just too good, and also the colors, they're absolutely nice. And last year I bought like the same themed one. I bought add-on stickers from her shop, so I really loved them. That's why I bought the sticker kit this year. Usually the add-ons are a little bit less expensive than the sticker kit because you get like such variety here. And then we have nice like floral themed sticker. This is like a typical kind of design that I usually like, so nothing strange or like surprising that I bought this. Then remember I showed you guys the washi tape here. Where did it go? This one, because I like the color so much, I bought the kit too. And washi, I think it's okay. Like, I'm not a huge fan of the plaid like design, but I love everything else that are here. And then next we have, this one is actually the 2021 kit, but I bought this because I did not like what they were offering for 2022. And apart from here, like I don't see 2021 anywhere, so I could just chop off this part and use the remaining stickers that are here. I was expecting this package to arrive like a week ago, and I thought I could use it in my planner for the first weekly dashboard setup, like for New Year, but that did not work out, so I might use it for like during my birthday or something. Then we have this sticker kit, and this too, I bought the washi tape. I loved it. I think this is like one of my favorite ones in the entire order, so I had to go ahead and even buy the kit along with the washi tapes. So these are all the stickers that I bought during the Black Friday sale on Plannerkate. Let me know which one was your favorite, and also don't forget to comment like the sticker that you really like and you would want it to be offered in India, and I'll add it to my priority list. Alright guys, I'm super excited to start 2022 with like so many videos coming up for you guys. And yeah, I think I will leave you on that note. Don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!